Are you ready for another animation house tour?
This is a modern tropical one-story house designed with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a roof deck. This house has a sloped roof, white walls, and wood accents. Large windows and breeze blocks keep it bright and airy. The design is clean, warm, and perfect for tropical weather. Welcome! First stop is the driveway and carport that can fit 2 cars. This is the entry porch, with a seating console that includes shoe storage and an umbrella rack on the side. As you enter, you're greeted by a bright and spacious common area with a high ceiling and open-plan design. The living area has a long couch, armchairs, coffee table, and a ceiling fan. It also has a TV cabinet that features a 65-inch screen, bottom drawers, top display shelves, and a side shoe cabinet. A small family altar. We have an 8-seater dining table for our dining area. It opens up to the back patio, serving as a dining extension. Up next is the main kitchen, which features a 3-seater bar counter. To the right are a water dispenser, a double-door refrigerator, overhead storage cabinets, and a walk-in pantry cabinet. The kitchen also includes a pull-out trash bin, a modern sink, a dish rack, a gas stove with an oven, and a range hood. Additionally, the back of the bar counter is equipped with organizing drawers and can serve as a food preparation area. The utility kitchen is hidden behind an oversized sliding door and reveals a large focal window when opened, allowing more natural light into the space. Here, we have a gas cooktop, a sink, and a preparation area with a liquor display and a service window that connects to the outdoor bar counter. Let's proceed to the master bedroom. The first stop is the walk-through closet. This space is for hanging clothes and storing luggage, while this section is for displaying bags and shoes with shelves and drawers for folded clothes and other accessories. Next is the lavatory, designed with side display shelves for daily essentials and bottom cabinets for cleaning supplies. It's fully equipped with a water closet, tissue holder, soap dispenser, bidet, towel holder, and a glass-enclosed shower area with a recessed display shelf. Furthermore, we have a 65-inch TV screen with base drawers, a seating bench where you can read and lounge, a vanity area, a king-size bed, and behind this frosted door is an outdoor patio. Let's go to the second bedroom. This bedroom features a built-in closet, a combined vanity and desk, a side table, and a cozy double-sized bed. This is the third bedroom. Here, we have a custom loft bed that comes with display shelves, a closet, and a study area below, with the double-sized bed positioned on top. On this side, there are hanging hooks and an ottoman storage bench for toys. There's also space to add an extra console in the future for additional clothing storage.
This is the shared bathroom.
It mirrors the master bath in design, but with an added towel holder and a shower area separated by a curtain.
This is the third bedroom, but it will currently be used as a home office or a guest bedroom. We have a workstation, a built-in closet, a backyard view, and a sofa bed. As you step outside, you're greeted by this backyard patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. It features a cozy outdoor dining area and a built-in bar with stools, perfect for slow morning talks or lively gatherings. A bifold glass door create a seamless flow between indoor comfort and outdoor charm. The laundry area. A utility cabinet under the stairs. And finally, let's go upstairs to see the roof deck. Here, we have a location for the water tank and an area perfect for stargazing and quiet evenings, a spot to relax, unwind, or enjoy the night sky. This home was designed for a family that loves fresh air and open skies. Every space invites you to connect with nature and each other. This ends our tour. Thank you for having me. See you again next time.